Hello, my dear friend. How are you? I hope you will be nice. Welcome you to Pratiksha Education Point. Today we are studying the chemistry, the most important 20 question. First question is which of the following turns blue litmus paper red? Option A base, option B acid, option C salt, option D water. Correct answer will be B. Question number second. The pH value of a neutral solution is A 0, B 5, C 7, D 14. The correct answer will be C. The pH value of a neutral compound is 7. Question number third. Which gas is released when zinc react with hydrochloric acid, oxygen gas, carbon dioxide gas, hydrogen gas, nitrogen gas? The correct answer will be C. Hydrogen gas. It means when the zinc react with hydrochloric acid, form the compound zinc chloride and the released gas as a hydrogen. Question number 4. Which indicator turn pink in a basic solution? Litmus, methyl orange, phenolphthalein, turmeric. Correct answer will be C. Phenolphthalein. Question number 5. What is the chemical formula of baking soda? NaCl, NaHCO3, Na2CO3, CaCO3. Correct answer will be NaHCO3. Question number 6. Acid produce which ions in aqueous solution? OH ion, H plus ion, Cl minus ion, Na plus ion. Correct answer will be H plus ion. Question number 7. Which of the following is strong acid? Which of the following is a strong acid? Acetic acid, citric acid, hydrochloric acid, carbonic acid. Correct answer will be C. Hydrochloric acid. Question number 8. The reaction between an acid and a base is called oxidation, reduction, neutralization, combustion. The correct answer will be neutralization. It means when an acid reacts with a base, that reaction is known as neutralization. In a neutralization reaction, the form compound as the salt and water. Question number 9. Which of the following is used in the antacid? Sodium chloride, magnesium hydroxide, copper sulfate, calcium oxide. Correct answer will be magnesium hydroxide. Question number 10. Which acid is present in the vinegar? sulfuric acid, citric acid, acetic acid, hydrochloric acid. Option B है nitric acid. Correct answer will be acetic acid. Option C is correct. Question number 11. The pH of the lemon juice is approximately A 2, B 7, C 9, D 12. The correct answer will be A. Question number 12. Which salt is used for making cake bread soft and fluffy? Washing soda, baking soda, bleaching powder, gypsum. Correct answer will be baking soda. Chemical formula of the baking soda is NaHCO3. Question number 13. What is the chemical formula of the washing soda? Na2CO3.10H2O, NaHCO3, CaSO4.2H2, CaOCl2. The correct answer will be Na2CO3.10H2O. Na2CO3.10H2. Question number 14. Which substance is used for disinfecting drinking water? Washing soda, bleaching powder, baking soda, plaster of Paris. Correct answer will be B. Bleaching powder. Question number 15. Plaster of Paris is prepared from limestone, gypsum, marble, chalk. Correct answer will be B. Gypsum. Question number 16. Which acid is found in the stomach? Acetic acid, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid. The correct answer will be hydrochloric acid. Option C is correct. Question number 17. What is the nature of the metal oxide? What is the nature of metal oxides? Option A acidic, option B basic, option C neutral, option D amphoteric only. The correct answer will be basic. Question number 18. Which of the following has a pH greater than 7? Lemon juice, vinegar, soap solution, tomato juice. The correct answer will be soap solution. Question number 19. The chloralkali process is used to prepare sodium hydroxide, baking soda, bleaching powder, plaster of Paris. Correct answer will be sodium hydroxide. Option A is correct. The last question. Which gas is produced when an acid reacts with carbonate? Option A hydrogen, option B oxygen, option C carbon dioxide, option D nitrogen. Correct answer will be carbon dioxide. Thank you so much nice. Please like, share and subscribe the video.